What's going on, Mike?
Not much. Just helping out one of the techs. Got this. What is this? 2020?
Yeah, it's a 2020.
2020 S550. The client, they did a crank position sensor themselves, and when they brought it back into us, they said it was running worse. So we did a little bit of testing and found that that sensor was not even torqued down, like it was literally moving back and forth like this. So we pulled it out, and it was completely shaved down. We put a new sensor in there, so currently we're trying to get this thing to do a crank relearn right now. So